Have you ever wondered why EVM-compatible cryptocurrencies operate on multiple layers? A rather intriguing question, isn't it? Let's delve into this cryptic world and shed some light on this conundrum. Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM for short, is a term that may have crossed your path if you found yourself wandering in the digital forest of cryptocurrency. It's the engine that powers Ethereum and other EVM-compatible cryptocurrencies, from Binance Smart Chain to Avalanche. It's a powerhouse, a wizard's cauldron where the magic of smart contracts and decentralized applications come to life. But here's the twist. This magic doesn't happen on just one stage. It's a multi-act play, a grand spectacle that unfolds across multiple layers. These layers aren't just some convoluted tech talk. They're the backbone of blockchain technology, the invisible threads that weave together the tapestry of the crypto universe. Each layer has its role, its unique flavor that adds to this intricate recipe. The question then arises, why is there a need for layers? Picture a bustling city. The traffic system can't function properly if all vehicles were to move on one single road, can it? The same idea applies to the blockchain. Different layers help manage the complexity of operations, improving efficiency and security. They're like different lanes on a highway, guiding the flow of information and transactions to their intended destinations. In this blockchain city, we have three main lanes: Layer 0, Layer 1, and Layer 3. Each one of them holds a piece of the puzzle, a key to unlocking the full potential of EVM-compatible cryptocurrencies. They're the unsung heroes, the silent warriors that keep the wheels of the crypto world turning. Understanding these layers can be a bit like peeling an onion, but fear not. You won't be crying tears of confusion. Instead, we're about to embark on a journey of discovery, a deep dive into the beating heart of the crypto world. So, are you ready to uncover the hidden layers of the blockchain? To explore the uncharted territories of the crypto universe? Dive with us as we unravel the mystery behind these layers. Let's start from the base, Layer 0. Now imagine Layer 0 as the unsung hero of the cryptocurrency universe. It's the foundational layer, the bedrock if you will. Think of it as the network's nervous system, connecting all the nodes in a blockchain. It's the digital equivalent of the postal service, efficiently delivering packets of data from one point to another. Whether it's a transaction between two parties or the latest block mined by a node, Layer 0 is the one that ensures this information travels safely and promptly across the network. It's like the highway system connecting cities, allowing for smooth flow of vehicles, or in this case, data. But wait a minute, why should we care about this Layer 0? Well, just like a city's lifeblood is its connectivity, the lifeblood of any EVM-compatible cryptocurrency is its Layer 0. It's the fundamental layer that makes everything else possible. Without it, data wouldn't be able to move around, transactions wouldn't be processed, and, well, the cryptocurrency as we know it wouldn't function. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the fact that this Layer 0 is not one size fits all. Different cryptocurrencies have unique Layer 0 protocols, each with their own approach to data transmission. Some are designed for speed, others for security, and some strike a balance between the two. This diversity in Layer 0 design is what gives each cryptocurrency its unique characteristics and potential. So the next time you hear about the latest, greatest cryptocurrency, remember that it's not just about the shiny new features or the skyrocketing market value. It's also about the humble Layer 0, silently working in the background to keep the digital world spinning. Layer 0 forms the backbone of any EVM-compatible cryptocurrency, but it's just the start. Now let's build upon the base with Layer 1. If Layer 0 forms the foundation of our cryptocurrency skyscraper, Layer 1 is the steel framework that gives it shape and structure. Layer 1, ladies and gentlemen, is the actual blockchain layer, the beating heart of the cryptocurrency world. It's where transactions occur, where digital hands shake on deals, and digital coins change ownership. It's the ledger, the record book, the immutable history of who owns what and when they acquired it. Consider Layer 1 as the ledger keeper, diligently recording each transaction that occurs across the network. Now this isn't your granddad's ledger, filled with ink smudges and coffee stains. This is a digital, decentralized ledger, visible to everyone, yet secure from tampering. It's a testament to the genius of blockchain technology. But what's a ledger without the data it holds? Layer 1 is also the data custodian. It holds the data, the meat and potatoes of the cryptocurrency world. Every byte of information about transactions, ownership and balances resides here, in this digital fortress. Now, as the ledger keeper and data custodian, Layer 1 plays a crucial role in security and decentralization. It's like a digital Fort Knox, but instead of gold bars, it safeguards data. Layer 1's security protocols ensure that transactions are verified and recorded accurately, preventing fraud and maintaining the integrity of the network. Moreover, Layer 1 epitomizes the principle of decentralization. By distributing data across multiple nodes, it ensures no single entity has control over the information. This distribution of power is what makes cryptocurrencies resistant to censorship and manipulation. In summary, Layer 1 is the backbone of the cryptocurrency world. It's the ledger keeper, the data custodian, the security guard, and the champion of decentralization. It's where the nitty-gritty of transactions occur, where the rubber meets the road, so to speak. Layer 1 is where the magic happens, but the show doesn't stop there. So buckle up, folks, as we prepare to ascend to the next level, Layer 3. Finally, let's top it off with Layer 3. Think of Layer 3 as the master artist, using the canvas and colors provided by Layers 0 and 1 to create a masterpiece. This is the application layer, the playground where developers roll up their sleeves and build decentralized applications or dApps. It's the realm where the magic of interaction with the blockchain happens, where abstract concepts turn into tangible solutions. Layer 3 allows developers to create applications that interact directly with the blockchain, much like a puppeteer controlling the strings of a marionette. Each pull, each tug, each delicate movement corresponds to a transaction, a contract, or a verification process on the blockchain. This layer is where the blockchain's potential is fully realized, as it's the interface that end users interact with. Imagine you're at a concert. Layers 0 and 1 are the stage, the lights, the sound system, all the elements that make the concert possible. But Layer 3, that's the band, the music, the performance. It's what you came to see, what you interact with, what you remember long after the concert is over. That's the role Layer 3 plays in the blockchain ecosystem. But let's not forget, Layer 3 is not just about interaction, it's about utility, about functionality. It's what makes blockchain technology not just interesting but usable. It's the reason why we can have decentralized finance, supply chain tracking, digital identity verification, and more. It's the reason why blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize industries, economies, societies. In the grand scheme of things, Layer 3 is like the icing on the cake, the final touch that brings everything together. But it's more than just a decorative finish. It's the part of the cake that makes you want to take a bite. The part that makes the cake delicious and worth eating. Layer 3 is the cherry on top, bringing everything together for the user. It's the user's gateway to the blockchain world, the bridge between human needs and digital solutions. And that, my friends, is the allure of Layer 3. So what does all this mean for the future of EVM-compatible cryptocurrencies? Well, the potential of these layers is nothing short of revolutionary. Let's start with efficiency. Layer 0, by its very nature, creates a solid foundation. It provides the bedrock on which all other layers are built, enabling them to function seamlessly and efficiently. By streamlining the underlying network infrastructure, it ensures that the entire system runs like a well-oiled machine. Then, there's Layer 1. This is where the magic happens. It's like the engine room of a colossal ship, powering the entire operation. It's here that transactions are processed and validated, ensuring that your digital assets are secure and accounted for. It's all about making sure that your digital gold doesn't just vanish into thin air. It's the layer that gives cryptocurrencies their inherent value. But what about Layer 3? Well, think of it as the icing on the cake. It's where all the fancy stuff happens. It enables the development of decentralized applications, or dApps, which are transforming the way we interact with the digital world. It's like having a supercomputer in your pocket ready to perform complex tasks at the touch of a button. And the best part? It's all done in a decentralized and secure manner. But here's the kicker. These layers don't operate in isolation. They work together, in harmony, each contributing to the overall performance and utility of the system. It's like a symphony orchestra, with each instrument playing its part to create a beautiful melody. And this, my friends, is just the beginning. The potential of these layers is immense. They are enabling the evolution of a new digital economy, one that is secure, efficient, and accessible to all. They are driving the adoption of blockchain technology, pushing the boundaries of what is possible, and shaping the future of digital currencies. These layers together form a formidable force that is shaping the future of digital currencies. And the journey has just begun.